Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Amazon Kindle application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store from your app drawer. Go to the search box at the top and type in Amazon Kindle. Look for this application that says Kindle from Amazon Mobile LLC. Tap on the download or the install button right beneath the app icon and you will be able to start the download process. Amazon Kindle is a family of e-readers designed by Amazon. It is a popular device for reading ebook and comes in a variety of models with different features. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your iOS device, and once it does, open the application. So that is how you should be able to download Amazon Kindle on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.